Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to reset browser in Opera GX. So to reset your browser in Opera GX, go to your settings. To find that, go to the left side and you will see down here settings. Then click on settings. And once you are here at your settings, click on privacy and security. After you click that, scroll the way down to the bottom. Then click advanced. Scroll the way down. Keep scrolling until you get to the bottom. Right here. As you can see, reset settings. And once you click on this, it will reset your browser settings. So this will revert your search engine to its default, remove banned tabs, and reset browser settings. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmark history and save password will not be cleared. So right now we're gonna click reset, and there you go. I have resetted my Opera GX. As you can see, the wallpaper here is now gone. Okay, we're gonna open a new tab to see my wallpaper here that I've added. What do you call it? The mountains with the water. It's now gone. It's now back to the old, to the default Opera GX. So yeah, there you go. That's how you reset your browser in Opera GX. Hope you guys like it and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.